Hi, thanks for joining me on my market report. My name is Mike, and if you're new to my videos or my channel, what we do is we create videos on a daily basis for mortgage rates. We kind of let you give you the inside scoop of what's impacting mortgage rates on any given day, the trend that if it where it's heading towards, if it's going up or down, or if it's just kind of going in a sideways pattern, any economic events that might disrupt the market, or what we're kind of looking for. Sometimes we look at the economic calendar, or sometimes headline news or geopolitical, and sometimes being a bystander on the sidelines, you may not realize that good news is now bad news, and maybe you scratch your head why is the market reacting the way it is. Well, we're here to kind of provide that information for you folks, and hopefully make sense of where things are moving. If you're in the real estate industry, well, this could be a good video for you to kind of keep up to date as to what's going on with rates. If you're as a consumer looking to refinance or buy a home, you may be tracking rates to see where things are going. These videos could potentially help you guys out with determining if you want to lock in or if you want to kind of move forward, kind of wait a little bit. This could hopefully save you guys some money. A little bit about myself is I am a loan officer. I do work with a national lender, so I'm here to help out any way possible. If you guys got questions regards to mortgage rates or programs that's available or anything in general, we're here to answer any questions we can assist you guys with. We love to earn your business, so please give us a shout in terms of your refinance or your purchase needs. We can certainly help you in both those. We do finance in all 50 states in the U.S. So without further ado, why don't we get started with the report here. Today's going to be kind of a light day in terms of what's available. There's no economic there's nothing on the economic calendar today, uh, and basically the markets are kind of reacting to what's happened so far this week in terms of the central banks around the globe, where a couple of them actually raised rates the other day. I guess there's like Mexico, Norway, UK raised their rates. We have a few that are kind of following suit like what we did, where we're going to expedite our tapering and then probably raise rates later in the year in 22. Uh, the ECB did that, so there's probably I think a few other ones are kind of doing something similar. So stocks are kind of reacting to see are kind of reacting negatively to it for the most part, and that's kind of what's helping out mortgage-backed securities. Uh, the only one that's doing pretty well today is Nasdaq, and that's only because the Treasuries, as a result, has come down. So with Treasuries lower, the reason being is that a lot of these Nasdaq is mostly a growth stock index, and they rely a lot on uh, like variable, like the treasuries for their debt, for their principals. So when treasuries rise, that means it cuts into their profit growth, and where when it's down, it helps them out. So in this situation, it's helping out your growth stock, especially on that of high tech sector here, where everybody else is taking a little bit more of a hit as a result. So let's take a look here. What's going on with mortgage-backed securities? As you can see, we passed the 25-day moving average yesterday. Now we're kind of working towards the 50-day moving average. I'm not sure if these will last. I mean, it could, like Monday, could quickly change around. But maybe stocks or investors feel a little more comfort, or maybe again they might buy on the dip where the stock's been down, taking a little bit of a beating, and then they'll buy in on the dip a little bit. So right now we're up 17, 19 basis points. Again, touching the 25 or 50-day moving average. That is. If you look at today, we had some up fluctuations where we started lower, kind of worked our way up, came down, worked our way up again, worked down again, and then came back up again. So like here, we're down like up 8 basis points, uh, and then we worked our way back up to 13, 14. Now back up to 19 here basis points. And look at the treasuries. As you can see here, we're down to about 1.38, so we're below the 1.4 level, and broke below that floor, a technical floor, and now we're between two different technicals as a result. So speaking of Monday, let's go ahead and take a look at see what's going on for Monday. There's nothing. Uh, Looks like maybe leading indicators might be the only thing for there. Basically, it looks like again, Monday will be a short weekend due to Christmas, holiday season. They'll be closed, so they'll close early on the Thursday, and then it looks like they'll be closed on Friday for Christmas. But it looks like for the most part, Wednesday will be the big day for any items coming out that day. So it looks like it could be get the final GDP for the third quarter, which will be a big one. We got consumer confidence and then existing home sales. So those will be the three main items that we'll be looking at on Wednesday, or even for that matter, really for next week, for that matter. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and take a look at what's the national average for conforming limit loans. The 15-year is at 2.52%, and the 30-year is at 3.16%. Now, this is, again, has points built in, so that way you're kind of aware of what's going on here. If a lot of variables go into rates. We could talk about that at some point, but one size does not fit all. If you've seen my other videos, you've heard me explain a little bit about it. But in any case, again, we're up 17 basis points for mortgage-backed securities, which translates a little bit better pricing in our mortgage rates today. So that's good news if you're looking to refinance or purchase. We're seeing a continued improvement right here. All right, folks, that will leave it. If you guys like these videos, please help us out. Smash that like button. It helps our channel out, helps our videos out. We greatly appreciate it. Share it. We certainly appreciate you guys. If you guys get questions, again, I'm here. If you guys got questions, please reach out through the social media site you found this on, and I'll do my best to answer what questions you guys might have. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your weekend. We'll look forward to see you guys on Monday. Take care. Bye-bye.